Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome gure ase achilaga khobor janai de ase. 28th Kuridang Assembly Constituency de by elections karne 6 candidate pra nomination file kurishe goi ase. BJP candidate laga naam do ele Tauche I Mchen, National People's Party laga candidate to ele I Epenjang, Indian National Congress laga candidate to ele Chalu Kamba Aw ase. Aru tinda candidate to ele independence ase. Takala naam do ele Imja Tupa Mchen, MD Wapang aro Electoral report laka hisab de 28th Kuridang Assembly Constituency de 22,266 elector ase koi ase. Aru date laka 11,253 do muta aro 11,013 do ele maiki kan ase koi ase. Election Commission of India laka notification hisab de nomination laka scrutiny do ele March 24 de lobo aro candidate kan chidi withdraw kurula munja shugule do last date do ele March 26 obo. Janai de ase ke 28th Kuridang Assembly de by elections do ele April 9 de lobo, vote counting do ele May 4 de lobo aro entire election process do ele May 6 de complete hoi jabo. Dimapur de thakia laka civil society organizations kan ba Nagaland de mutu control kora laka NLTV Act 1989 do ele hadai dibo karne Nagaland Chief Minister ke representation submit korobole ase kushe. Idu laga decisions to ele joagali Monday de Naga Council Dimapur Conference Hall de consultative meeting loa bichide idu laga decisions to ele lushia koi kana janai dishe. NLTV Act Review Committee General Secretary Dr. Gahuka Sima pra janai dia se ke representations to ele members kan present thakya kan bra approve kurishe koi na janai dishe. Ahalaga same de idu representation to ele Chief Minister ke submit kuribo koi kana janai dishe. Taiba aru janai dia se ke Nagaland do ele tri-state hoi gana bi Dimapur aru Jammu ma de hi 2000 opor de mutu beka laka tokan kan ase koi ase. Tai janai dishe ke excise department ke manpower kumdi hoi ja karne enforcement do ele ineffective ase koi ase. Rati de bishi diri hoile bi mutu do ele easy bra pai ase kushe. Idu do ele ek laka ekta failures evidence ase kushe. Tai aru janai dia se ke idu kanun hadai dibole karne Dimapur de thakia laka 11 civil society organization aro Dimapur laka 28 pusti aro East Dimapur laka 8 pusti bra itu ke support kurishe koi ase. 20 tribal group kan logo de consultations kuri kana idu lo hadai dibo karne 80% bra support kurishe koi kana janai dishe. Tai aru kushi ke state government kan bra idu laka law check aro crown rally sai kana idu kanun do ele hadai dibole laka decisions lo bole janai. Department of Food and Civil Supply laka directive hisab de Deputy Commissioner Longleng bra janai dia se ke soap LPG aro petroleum products kan do ele government ba ki rate te tigena ase idu laka hisab de authorized dealers kan laka hat pra kini bole laka janai dishe. TC ba inform gure ase ke dealers sobi distributor no individuals kan bra overpriced charge kura laka unauthorized by beka laka black marketing kura noile artificial scarcity kura do ele strictly prohibit ase goise aru idu do ele kanun laka hisab te punish hobo goise. Customers kan ge advice kuri ase ke LPG noile alag petroleum products kan do hele authorized dealers kan laga hat prai kini bi noise gole do kina time de cash momo noile receive kan bi mangi bi go ase. District Administration Police aro Food and Civil Supplies Department aro Legal Metrology Department kan bra time de idu laga opor inspections bi kuri bole laga janai dishe. Chidi price pishi charge kura laga irregular supplies noile malpractice kan guri thakishe gole do Deputy Commissioner Longleng de inform guri bole laga janai dishe. Tai kan laga khilaf de actions lo bole laga opor de janai dishe. TC ba public kan ge janai dia se ki idu laga opor de full cooperation di bole laga janai dishe. PHCD Urban Division Kohima bra inform guri dia se ke Josoma Reserve Forest Area de Bani laka main pipeline bhangi ja karne Kohima Municipal Jurisdiction de pani supply kura to ele disrupt hobo goi ase. Aido aomi STO IPHCD bra janai dia se ke pura Kohima town de pani supply kura laka disruptions to ele few days te aro continue thakibo koina janai dishe. Tai kushi ki department kan bra repair kam kura do ele suru hoi jaise koi ase para dak to ele pani supply kura to normal de ani bole juldi koshish kuribo koina janai dishe. Tai bra Kohima de thakia laga manu kan ge inform guri ase ke temporarily inconvenience obore repair kuri dibole laga request kurishe. NSN IM kan bra takal laka members kan ge janai de ase Kuridang Assembly Constituency de by elections loa de iku interference nidibole laka directive tisha order olai gya ke NSN IM kan bra janai de dia ase ki Mukokchung district te by elections law de chidi takal laka members kan involve noile interfere guri kana violation guri she koile the strict penalty do ele dibo koi kana janai disha security force kan bra Manipur de ban guri dia laka outfit laka 15 militants kan ke thuru bole parishe koina Monday de khopor kurise senior police officer ba janai dia ase ki 14 cadres kan do ele United National Liberation Front kan laka thakishe koi ase takan 14 June ge Hawkong area Tribal district by arrest kurishe koi ase takan laka hat pra bunduk kuli magazine aro 1 lakhs paisa 12 mobile phone 5ta helmet 5ta bag aro 4ta gari recover kuribole parishe koi ase security force kan baro separate operation kura ke Impal West district te People's Revolutionary Party of Kanglai Bek laka ekta active supply ke thuru bole parishe koi ase tai laka hat pra mobile phone sim card kan bi seize kurishe wala bi janai dishe US President Donald Trump Saturday de Iran kan ge guishe ki Strait of Hormuz toile within 48 hours te khuli dibi guishe noishe gole to Iran de thakia laka energy infrastructures kan ge hamla guribo koi kana daibra warning di deishe report te jani bole pai ase ki US President Donald Trump Monday din de Department of War kan ge janai dishe ki Iran de thakia laka power plant noile energy infrastructures ke hamla guribole thaka toile 5 days kane postpone guri dibi kana janai dishe koi ase US president ba claim kura laka hisab te bi janai dia ase ki Iran aro US laka macho de war khatam kuribo kane kotha kuri ase kwa la bi janai dishe hoile bi idia tak to ele Iran laka side pra official confirmation to ele eku bi thakya nai hoile bi Iran kan bra do ele US kan lo de bharosa na thaka karne war khatam kuribo karne to ele US logo de ku negotiation nokuribo kwa la bi janai dishe Donald Trump bra Iran kan logo de war khatam kuribo karne kotha kuri ase kwa laka opor de bi Iran kan pra deny kuri dishe ajila khobor de mande rakhi di ase chiji kumba manu nutun sai dakile moram bra subscribe like aro share kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you